So without wasting your time, how to get huge arms at home without any kind of fancy equipment, and all you need is a regular bag like this. So I'm gonna tell you 3 exercises that you can do at home with this bag, and I'm also gonna give you a tip to get faster results than everybody else, so make sure to watch till the end guys. Now guys, let's start the video. So first of all, get a bag like this, and after you get a bag like this, I want you to fill it up and make it a little bit heavy. You could fill it up with anything, it could be like books, bricks, anything. Just make it a little bit heavy. And after you make it a little bit heavy, I want you to do these 3 exercises that I'm about to tell you in this video. So let's start with the first exercise. And the first exercise is this. It's like a wrist curl, Just keep your arms straight. Make sure it's not too low or too high. Just keep it in the middle and do this motion with your arms. And also one thing guys, when you're doing this exercise for the first time, you may feel like a little bit hurting and burning sensation in your arms, But once your body gets used to this exercise, it will all be normal. You just gotta make sure your form is right and you just gotta stay consistent. Now guys, let's talk about the second exercise. And the second exercise is this. I don't know the name of this exercise guys, but this exercise is a game changer, It will blow out your forearms in no time guys. I build my forearms with doing the same exercise and you can too. Now guys, real quick, let me teach you how to do this exercise correctly. So first of all, I want you to grab a bag like this. And after that, I want you to turn your arms like this. And lastly, bend your wrist like this. And do this motion with your arms. And let me also tell you one important thing guys. If you want to make your wrist look bigger, then you need to train your forearms. Your wrist is mostly like bone, it doesn't have enough muscle. Even if you train your wrist all day, it will still look tiny if you don't train your forearms. And if you start to train your forearms and if you start to make it bigger, then your wrist will look good as well. So guys, if you don't want tiny wrist, then make sure to train your forearms. Now guys, let's talk about the last exercise. And the last exercise is this. I know guys, this exercise also looks the same, but this exercise also targets your bicep and it's also very important for your forearms as well. Just pick up a bag, stand up straight and do this movement with your arms. Don't bend too much forward or backward. Just keep your arms straight and just like pick up the bag and do it with correct form. And guys, also one more thing. If you feel like the bag is too light and you need more weight, then feel free to add more weights, The heavier, the better. But with that being said, you gotta make sure your form is correct. Even if you lift like very heavy, but your form is not right, then you'll see no progress and all of this will be a waste of your time. So your forms matters a lot. So now guys, before I go, let me show you how to do those 3 exercises perfectly.